I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and obtaining the official Guardian installer. This ensures no corrupted packages. Once downloaded, verify the checksum if provided so you avoid tampered builds. Next, create a throwaway profile to test settings and extensions. This protects your main browsing data while you learn features. You'll log into minimal accounts only, enabling sync later. Make sure to note your recovery keys now, because losing them can lock encrypted data and force a reset. Don't skip that step. You now configure Guardian's core privacy and connection features so browsing is both fast and safe. First, set the tracker blocker to strict if you prioritize privacy, or balanced for compatibility. This reduces fingerprinting and speeds page loads. Once done, enable the built-in VPN or configure a trusted proxy, choosing the nearest region to minimize latency. Then import bookmarks and passwords selectively. Avoid bulk extension imports. This prevents legacy privacy leaks and keeps your extensions list-linked. You finish by testing real-world sites and locking in backups so your setup is resilient. Run a site test across the pages you use, verify rendering, media playback, and extension behavior. This identifies compatibility issues early. After confirming, export and securely store recovery keys and a profile backup to avoid data loss. If a page breaks, first disable strict blocking or the last installed extension, then clear cache and reload. This resolves most conflicts. If problems persist, recreate the throwaway profile to isolate the fault and restore settings incrementally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.